How to turn on upload at highest quality on your Instagram account. Today guys, I will show you how to turn on this option. Just follow the video until the end. You go first and you open your Instagram. Then after that, when your Instagram is open, you go down and open your profile. Then you go to this three line and click. Then go to settings and click again. And after this, go to account and click, and then go down and click on calculate data use, and you will turn on this option, the last option, upload at highest quality. You click here like that. So by that you activate this option. And that's it guys, I hope this video is have found useful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel, and if you have any question you can write it down in comments, and see you next video.